Before watching this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel by clicking at the button below, so you won't miss any of our enjoyable content that uploads every day. Enjoy.
I love to barbecue, and I love to grill. There's just something about the taste of hickory, mesquite, alder, and cherry. The juiciness you get from a slow cook. Now I just use my Z-Grill's wood pellet grill. I can smoke, grill, bake, braise, roast, and barbecue, all in one. I have to say, it's my new secret weapon. Z-Grills automatically moves wood pellets into the electric burner at a consistent rate for even heating. The fire never touches the food, keeping it from unwanted charring. After plugging Z-Grills in, just tell Z-Grills whether you'd like to smoke or cook, providing that great wood flavor with the ease and convenience of a gas grill. Using a gas grill, you just don't get that natural wood flavor and aroma. And charcoal grills are just too messy. It's difficult to control when you start or stop cooking. After my prep, it's straight into the Z-Grills to smoke and cook all in one place. Besides the convenience of smoking and grilling at the turn of a dial, I can also make this delicious wood-fired pizza. Z-Grill's digital temperature control makes it easy for me to step away for the more important, well, more fun things. Now that you know all of my grilling secrets, get one for yourself at an amazing price. Get yourself a Z-Grills Elite 900 today.
At VeloHub, we love cycling. We cycle everywhere around. However, cycling is not always that safe in the city. When we share the road space with cars, we are not really visible when turning and braking. That's why we came up with blinkers.
The blinkers are a set of lights that make cyclists be seen, understood and expected by other vehicles in the road from every angle and in every situation. There is a rear blinker and a front blinker that show the direction of the turn from the back and from the front. All this controlled with a pad, easily reachable with the thumb. Two lasers create a safety perimeter so cars respect the cyclist space. We have also equipped our blinkers with smart position lights and braking lights.
Our product has many functionalities, but it's simple to use. Blinkers are easy to connect and remove because of our magnetic system. You can put our mounts on the handlebar, under the saddle, on the rack, or on the basket. It has a powerful battery that is chargeable with USB. And of course, it's fully water resistant. We have been working hard with a top design studio to build a product that makes your bike look urban and dynamic. We're a team of students from ETH in Zurich, and we have fun developing smart technology for cyclists. We are ready to start manufacturing, but first we need your support. By backing this project, you will contribute to make cycling better. Please help us spread the word by sharing this project with your friends. Let's make cycling safe. Thanks for watching.